Hi there, today I will share on how to turn off the no valid subscription message in Proxmox VE. Turning off the no valid subscription message is only suitable for home lab use. It is not recommended if you already have a valid subscription with Proxmox. It is also not recommended for production server use. Log into your Proxmox server as usual. As you can see, my server is displaying the no valid subscription message. It is also the same when I log into my second node server, it also displays the same message. As both nodes are joined as a cluster, both nodes must have the same configurations. For now, we just need to log out from the web UI on both nodes. Next, open up your favorite terminal or SSH utility. We will now configure the first node, log in via SSH into the Proxmox server. The IP address shown here will differ from yours. If this is the first time login via SSH, you will be prompted to accept security key. Proceed to type yes. Next you will be prompted for a password. Type in your Proxmox server password accordingly. After a successful login, change the working directory as shown on the screen. All commands shown or used here is also available in the description link below. Now, before we make any changes, we need to make a backup copy of the file. This will ensure we have the original file in case we need to restore back. Type in the following command as shown on the screen. After we make a backup copy of the file, we can now proceed to modify the file accordingly. You can use any preferred editor of your choice. In this case, I will use the Nano editor. Inside the Nano editor, we need to search for a specific keyword. This keyword is where we want to modify the configuration to disable the message. You should be able to see the following block of code is shown here. Take note on this specific line, where it says the no valid subscription text. This means you are on the correct block of code. Now, we need to modify this block of code. To disable the message, we need to modify this block of code by deleting some lines. And then we need to add a new code, as shown on the screen. Add the following code as shown on the screen. That is all we need to modify the code. Now, let's save the new configuration and exit the editor. For the new configuration to take effect, we need to restart Proxmox service. Type in the following command as shown on screen. The service restart may take a while, please be patient. Once the service is restarted, you can now safely exit from SSH. Now, open up your favorite browser and log in the first node of the Proxmox server. Proceed to log in as usual. Once successfully log in, the no valid subscription message is now gone. Repeat the same steps on all Proxmox nodes. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me.